This cocktail is called a Brandy Collins. Go ahead and start off with your ice in your glass, like so. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of brandy. Let's see here. There's 1. Get in there. There's 2. Now we're going to do about a teaspoon or so of sugar, powdered sugar. A teaspoon or so of powdered sugar, like so. Oh, that's good. That works for me. Now we're going to do some lemon juice, about, I don't know, half a couple of teaspoons, maybe a tablespoon. I'm just going to eyeball it. I sounded awfully confused there, didn't I? It happens to the best of us. And then some carbonated water to fill up. And now shake this all together. Powdered sugar gives it a whole different consistency. This is what your Brandy Collins is going to look like. Last but not least, you're going to garnish this with a cherry and a lemon, and you're good to go. Cheers.